providers are deploying self-driving trucks on controlled routes. Waymo logged 7.1 million driverless miles in 2023, while Baidu's Apollo Go surpassed 5 million robo-taxi rides in China. The autonomous vehicle market could hit $1.8 trillion by 2035. On the flying side, Volocopter flew public demos at the 2024 Paris Olympics, and Joby Aviation secured FAA approval for U.S. test flights. With 350-plus eVTOL prototypes worldwide, air taxis are lifting off. Number 7. Next-gen nuclear and fusion energy. In 2025, nuclear power is being reimagined. Dozens of small modular reactor (SMR) designs are in development, with the first units already under construction in China, Russia, and Argentina. Governments in the US, Canada, and the UK are backing early models expected in the 2030s. At the same time, private fusion funding has climbed to nearly $10 billion. Helion has even broke ground on a plant aiming to supply power to Microsoft by 2028, while Commonwealth Fusion is racing toward its first arc reactor in the early 2030s. Number 6. Neuromorphic and analog AI chips. Most of today's AI runs on GPUs, powerful but power-hungry. Neuromorphic chips flip that on its head. They mimic how human neurons fire, enabling AI to process data with far less energy. Intel's Low-Hi 2 and IBM's True North are already proving it's possible to run complex AI workloads without the massive power draw. In 2025, startups are scaling this tech, aiming to bring brain-like efficiency to small devices. Imagine smartwatches or phones running advanced AI locally without the cloud. It's early, but the shock will come when AI moves from data sensors straight into your pocket. Number 5. Engineered living therapeutics. Medicine is shifting from pills and injections to something more radical: living organisms designed to work inside the body. These engineered microbes can detect cancers, deliver targeted drugs, or regulate immune responses. In 2025, over 30 engineered cell and microbial therapies are in clinical trials, including treatments for inflammatory bowel disease and rare cancers. Companies like Synlogic and Ceres Therapeutics are leading the way, with early data showing improved patient outcomes. Instead of only treating symptoms, these living medicines adapt in real time, potentially reshaping healthcare the way antibiotics did a century ago. Number 4. Bioprinting and organ regeneration. The global organ shortage remains dire. Over 100,000 patients in the U.S. alone are waiting for transplants in 2025, with thousands dying each year before one becomes available. Bioprinting could change that. Labs are already producing tissues, hearts, kidneys, even skin that function well enough for drug testing. In Sweden, researchers successfully implanted 3D printed cartilage in reconstructive surgery, while U.S. firms like United Therapeutics and Organovo are pushing toward bioprinted lungs and kidneys. We're not there yet, but the trajectory is clear. Tomorrow's donor list may be replaced by a printer queue. Number 3. Climate engineering and geoengineering. Climate change feels unstoppable, but some researchers are testing ways to engineer the climate itself. Today, 19 direct air capture (DAC) plants operate worldwide, pulling just over 10,000 tons of CO2 a year, with 130 plus more in development. ClimaWorks' new Mammoth facility in Iceland is designed for 36,000 tons per year. Meanwhile, small-scale field tests explore solar radiation management, like cloud brightening. These approaches remain controversial, but as global emissions hit 37.4 billion tons in 2024, interest in geoengineering as a last-ditch stabilizer is rising. Number 2. Quantum computing. Quantum machines are leaving the lab. In 2025, IBM's Condor became the first 1,121 qubit processor, while IonQ and Quantinuum push fault-tolerant error correction beyond 30 logical qubits. Google is testing error mitigation at scale. These systems won't replace classical computers, but target problems they can't touch, like drug discovery, cryptography, and supply chain optimization. With governments investing billions and the global quantum market projected to hit $7+ billion by 2027, the race is now about stability and scaling. Number 1. Generative AI and autonomous AI agents. 2025 is the year AI stops just answering and starts acting. Tools like OpenAI's GPT-5, Anthropic's Claude 3.5, and xAI's Grok are evolving into autonomous agents, capable of researching, trading, booking, and managing workflows with minimal oversight. Venture funding in AI agents passed $2 billion in 2024, with startups like Cognition's Devin and Adept leading enterprise use cases. The real disruption isn't chat, it's automation at scale, reshaping industries from finance to customer service in real time. There you go. 15 new technologies that are already in motion and could soon reshape the world around us. And don't forget, the link in the description takes you straight to the AI Mastermind offer we mentioned earlier. If you made it this far, let us know what you think in the comment section below. For more interesting topics, make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.